Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on system of equations and their applications. An airplane flying into a headwind travels the 1,500-mile flying distance between Indianapolis, Indiana and Phoenix, Arizona in 3 hours. On the return flight, the airplane travels this distance in 2.5 hours. Find the airspeed of the plane and the speed of the wind, assuming both remain constant. All right, so this is a basic distance equals rate times time type question. I like these questions. They're a lot quicker than you would assume from the number of words that are thrown at you. So we're told that the distance is 1,500 miles, both directions. And then it says that the plane is going into a headwind. That means whatever the rate is, the wind is making it go slower when it takes 3 hours, and that the wind is pushing it on the way back, which is why it's 2.5 hours. So this is our two equations, two variables. So what I like to do with these to make them a little simpler, instead of multiplying through and doing all of that, my first step that I really like to do with these is I like to multiply the top by 1/3 on both sides. And on this first equation, if I multiply both sides by 1/3, I'm going to get 500 equals rate of the plane minus wind. And on the second equation, I'm going to multiply both by 1 divided by 2.5. And if I do that, what's going to happen is I'm going to get 600 equals the rate plus the wind. And then I can just add down. And 500 plus 600 is 1,100. R plus R is 2R. Negative W plus W cancel. And then I can divide by 2. And I can get 550 equals the rate of the plane. And that's why I like doing it that way. So then I'm going to go back to my original equations, and I'm going to say the rate is 550, and 1,500 equals R minus W times 3, and then I'm going to put them together. 1,500 equals 550 minus W times 3. I probably still will divide by 3, I'll be honest with you. 500 equals 550 minus W minus 550. Negative 50 equals negative W. Divide by negative 1, and W equals 50. As always, I want to check. 1,500, does this equal 550 plus 50 times 2.5? So I'm putting in the check on the second equation. Is 1,500 equal to 600 times 2.5? That checks out. All right, so now I have everything I need. The airspeed of the plane is 550 miles per hour. The wind is 50 miles per hour. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.